Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming system compatibility and grabbing the wallpaper source. This matters because performance and format depend on OS and codec. Once done, pick the delivery method. An isolated app is simpler. Rainmeter offers customization. Make sure to download the correct file type: MP4, WebM, GIF, or the installer for the app. Then run the installer or unzip content. Follow on-screen prompts and grant permissions so the wallpaper service can run at startup and access display settings. You now install and configure playback. This step shapes both appearance and system load. Install as administrator, then enable startup so the background persists after reboot. Next, open the app settings and choose loop, mute, and resolution scaling. Lower scale reduces CPU usage but keeps clarity. Make sure to select GPU decode when available for smoother video. Also set an FPS limit or battery mode to prevent overheating. Once configured, apply and preview on multiple displays if you use more than one. You finish by placing the wallpaper and validating stability. Set per monitor assignments if needed, and choose stretch, center, or fit for composition. After applying, lock settings and perform a reboot to verify persistence. Monitor Task Manager for CPU or GPU spikes and adjust quality or decode options accordingly. If problems occur, black screen, stutter, or crashes, revert to the standard desktop, reinstall the Wallpaper app, update graphics drivers, and install missing codecs. That combination resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.